If you were to ask someone what their dream job was in 2022, they'll probably tell you that they want to be a gaming YouTuber. What if I told you we could turn that dream into a reality? I'm Tennille and welcome back to Shore Social, where I help you increase your YouTube views, subscribers, and revenue. You've just worked a long, hard day of work. You come home, kick off your shoes, turn on your favorite YouTube channel, and kick back. But there's always that thought where you're wishing and dreaming that it could be you playing video games all day, making a living. Today I'm going to share a few tips to help you start a successful gaming channel in 2022. You need to decide whether your channel will be based around personality or skill. When it comes to creating gaming content on YouTube, there are two types of channels that seem to rise: personality channels or skill channels. You need to work out if you're able to play games at a slower pace whilst chatting with your audience, or be the best you can possibly be at your desired game. There is only a small percentage of people that have enough skill to win every game they play. For example, Shroud. Shroud is a professional streamer who has garnered his following purely from his skills. He can pretty much pick up any game and become a professional player within a matter of hours. Many channels decide to follow the personality or entertainment route, as they may not have the skills required to become professional. When it comes to personality channels, you become the main character, and that means the YouTube channel is centered around you. Don't get me wrong, there are plenty of creators that have personality and skill, but sometimes you do have to choose between the two. How often should I upload to my gaming channel? Growing a gaming channel on YouTube is going to be a much longer process because you are the character and personality the viewers are going to want. This means content shouldn't be uploaded too much to discourage new viewers, but it also shouldn't be so spread out that your viewers are wondering where you are and if you're ever going to come back. The thing with gaming content is it gets traction over time. This means you'll be uploading your first 50 videos or so and only getting 10 to 20 views per video. This is okay. This is normal. Growing a gaming channel is definitely a marathon, not a sprint. It definitely takes time for you to become relevant in your viewers' daily YouTube session. What I would suggest is creating a upload schedule that fits you and your viewers. I do not recommend uploading daily. This is way too much content way too quickly, which also means that your content you're creating, if you are creating it in such a fast pace, there will be a lack of quality because you'll be churning out videos like a factory. One video a week is a suitable schedule for a new gaming channel. This gives you one whole week plan, record, edit, upload, and research SEO for that one video. Playing one game only on your gaming channel. As gamers, we love to play a large, vast variety of different types of games. This means playing our old faithful games, new games that get released, games that get updates, and just random games with our mates. But too many games on a fresh gaming channel can be a detriment. If you were to take a look at some of the larger YouTube gaming channels, you'll see that they play a ton of different games. But if you take a closer look and look at their very old videos, the videos that they first started uploading, I can almost guarantee that they would have been focusing on one or two games at a time. The reason we want to stick to one game is we want to corner the market. By this I mean we're going to start making quality content on one game / one topic or niche, however you'd like to explain it. And then if those videos start to get traction, your other videos will also gain traction because they are within that one game, the one topic. Playing one game only also allows for more possibility that your viewers will increase their session time they spend on your channel. This is because they're going to watch multiple videos of yours because they're on the same game that they're interested in, and you possibly have got them hooked on that one video. For example, a Let's Play series. People want to watch the series from start to finish. I will show you how to pick a game of your choice later in the video. How to record gameplay videos. There are plenty of ways to record footage and gameplay to create into YouTube videos. If you're going to be recording on a PC, I highly suggest a free piece of software called OBS. This software, again, is free. It allows you to record your audio, your desktop, any gameplay footage, as well as a webcam. I will leave a link in the description down below to a video that explains how you can get the best settings for gameplay. Now that you can record your gameplay with OBS, you need to record your face and your audio. To do that, you're going to need to purchase a microphone and a webcam. Of course, if you already got these things at home, just use what you have. A great beginner webcam is going to be the Logitech C920 or something similar, and a more advanced webcam, I highly suggest the Razer Kaio. For a good beginner microphone, I can suggest nothing other than the Blue Snowball, and if you're looking at something a little bit more advanced, I would definitely take a look at the Blue Yeti or an AT2020. But you can always use a cheaper alternative just starting out. I started my own gaming channel with a $20 desktop USB microphone from a supermarket. it. Now that you've recorded your first video, you need to get to editing. The program I use to edit all of my videos is also free. It's called DaVinci Resolve. I highly recommend this video editing software because it's, again, free, and just the capabilities it offers for the free version is ridiculous. But how do you edit? You will get better over time. It's just like any other skill you try to develop. You have to actually do it and practice to get better. Something to always remember when it comes to editing your videos, especially gaming videos, is you want to cut the fluff. So anything that is not needed in the video and any sort of silences, just cut them out straight away. A great tip to get better at your editing skills and just overall gameplay recording skills is watch other YouTubers in your niche. What are they doing in their videos? They may have no intro, they might have fast cuts between different scenes, and there might be storytelling throughout. You can tell something's working if they're growing. And if they're growing and it's working, take it on board. Before you go ahead and pick that game, you want to make sure there is actually demand for that game. Are people still searching for this type of content? And if they are they actually watching these videos? You can actually use the YouTube search to determine if there is enough demand for your game. Head on over to the YouTube search bar and type in a topic related to the video game that you want to choose. Once you do search, you want to head up to where it says filters and filter it by the most viewed, and then change the time frame to the last month. This is going to go ahead and give you search results that have the most viewed that were uploaded within the last month. If the videos now showing in the results are 50,000 or more views, that's a good sign. And that means you've chosen a game that is still in demand. A lot of people say that YouTube in general is really oversaturated. To me, this is just an excuse. Just an excuse for those people complaining about that to not make a channel or not put any effort into the existing channels they have. Yes, there is a lot of content on YouTube, but YouTube is still growing. There are still more and more users coming over to YouTube and watching videos every day. And oversaturated games mean you have more chance and opportunity to be placed as a recommended video next to a larger content creator. How can you find videos to make? All right, you've picked your game, you've made your channel, but you have no idea what your first video is going to be. Well, I've got a super easy technique for you. All you need to do is find 5 YouTubers that are within your game or your niche, and those YouTubers need to be quite large. Head over to their channels and find 5 of their most popular videos that are still getting views. These videos are called evergreen. Evergreen videos are videos that are created specifically to constantly get more views. They're topics that are always searched. So if you can work out what topics are always searched within your niche or your game, I would be making evergreen videos out of those. Once you have the 5 videos from those 5 creators, you need to go ahead and recreate those videos, but in your own way. You need to ask yourself, how can I recreate this video in my own way? Another way to get video ideas is through the tool called VidIQ, and we're going to be using a keyword research tool in VidIQ. Side note, VidIQ is the most amazing tool to use, especially if you are new to YouTube. The amount of resources that they offer for free is ridiculous. If you want to go ahead and download VidIQ, head into the description down below. So go ahead and search a topic or video that you'd like to make, and it will tell you a keyword score. You need to look through all the keywords that it's giving you and look for the ones that have the high search volume but also have a low competition rank. Once you've got a few of those types of keywords, you can go ahead and start making videos off those topics. Another way to get some more video ideas is become involved in your game's community, whether it's on Discord, Twitter, Facebook, or even YouTube. What you need to do is just constantly stay up to date with what is going on within the game and make videos on news, updates, etc. Another great thing about getting involved in your game's community is you will start to understand what the community wants, what they like, what they dislike, or what they want to see. A lot of these communities can be found in Discord. Is there too much competition for your game? You need to go ahead and ask yourself, is it possible to grow a channel with this game? Repeating what I said about saturation, competition is very similar. Saturation up to a certain point can be really good because your videos may be placed in the recommendation section next to a really large creator, but that content does need to be great because you are competing with other creators and they could be doing very similar things to you. Let's take a look at Fortnite or even Minecraft. Both of these games could be considered as really competitive and oversaturated. But how many Minecraft Let's Players out there have horrible titles, horrible thumbnails, the editing is just horrible, they have low quality microphone and webcam or no microphone or webcam? If you consider that content as a competition, you can easily make videos that are way better quality than that. Growing any type of YouTube channel starts with a massive backlog of videos. Look at how many videos PewDiePie started to upload upload before he blew up. The same goes for many other creators, including you. Growing your gaming channel super fast. Aside from the content itself, your click-through rate and SEO research are the most important aspects of growing a gaming channel on YouTube. Let me repeat that. Aside from the content itself, your click-through rate and SEO should be your main priority. Having an amazing eye-catching thumbnail and great titles bring your viewers in. If you had perfected making addictive quality content, then you will have no problem drawing viewers in and keeping them watching your videos. The 4 main focuses you need to take away are: make amazing quality content once a week. Pair those videos with amazing eye-catching thumbnails. Research SEO keywords to include in your titles, description, and tags. Upload 30 videos. This is 30 weeks worth of content if you're uploading 1 video a week. Once you upload those first 30 videos, then you can deep dive into the analytics of those videos. This is where you write down what went really well, what went wrong, and what you can do to improve. Once you've analyzed these 30 videos, go ahead and make another 30 videos with those improvements you've worked out. If you are using a webcam on your gaming videos and want to improve the quality of that webcam, click the video on the screen now. I show you in a few simple steps how to drastically improve the quality of your webcam, even if it's on the cheaper side.